born not to wear a crown, but grace the world with light. In halls of gold she walked alone, with tears hid out of sight. A mother's heart, a gentle hand, in silence bore the pain. And yet she smiled like dawn survives the ever-falling rain. They watched her rise, they watched her fall, but never saw the truth of all. She was a rose in the rain, blooming bright through the strain. Even in shadow she'd shine, a tender soul, not just mine. England wept on that day when the light was swept away, but her love will remain. She's the rose in the rain. Behind the veil a girl would dream of laughter, not of fame. She held the hands of those unseen and loved without a name. With every step she broke the mold, a rebel dressed in grace, a silent voice for broken hearts, a hope the world embraced. The cameras flashed, the silence screamed, but still she lived the love she dreamed. She was a rose in the rain, not afraid of the pain, soft but stronger than steel, with a heart time couldn't steal. Though she's gone from our eyes, in the wind her spirit flies, and her love will remain. She's the rose in the rain. In every child she held, in every tear we cried, she taught us all to live, to feel, to never hide. The crown she wore was made of thorns and grace, but she left the world a kinder place. She was a rose in the rain, through the thunder, through the pain. Even the stars know her name. She set our hearts aflame. Now we whisper her song, though the days move along, her light won't ever wane. She's the rose in the rain. A single ray of light, a name we still long for.